football commentator. Tell me the hits and the amount joining live on Facebook. Yes, them live on Facebook. Okuman Radio 97.1. YouTube Okuman Radio 97.1. Hits in a Koso. Hits in a Koso. Hits in a Koso. And you may 8 p.m. Black Stars of Ghana against the Pharaohs of Egypt. And you know the live. I see the Atlas. I mean, come with your expectations going into the game. Go for my just send for free war. Ivory Coast versus Nigeria.
And our game now a very crucial game because we share two nations here. In terms of African football, they are one of the powerhouses. And it's any time be a woman Asia Biano. Ayana very fine football. And this time around, I think say we say Ivory Coast able home there. Now so Nigeria and pressure no at that one so because almost first game against Equatorial Guinea now obi a hwɛ nim so to me we no end to me amba and of course omo to me board draw so if they are able to beat Ivory Coast a bit me aboa ama almost chances to qualify for the next stage a very high. Ivory Coast also hwɛ nim say or best cementing the place in the tournament as a host country and it were winning the first game or babebo against Nigeria so to me a winning game we are obviously next we advance the next stage of the competition which I believe say a very good at the moment and Nana I think say from 2013 urban in Nano two teams in one Asia a different ball all game together but I think say in Africa Cup of Nations history Nigeria to me a winning against Ivory Coast and a better motivation and the amomo nana may share line up two teams no Eddie Eba na share Nigeria for this time around another change in their game. Yenya Kevin Bassey bi aba yenya Samuel Chukwueze bi ononso no starting game no honomo and of course I think say wasesa ne tactics na but this time about 4-2-3-1 formation but we the first game no boy na utumu say about 4-3-2-1 formation which means say Nigeria for one more epe say at least no omutumi enya win and we share Ivory Coast so I think say this time around Abrantia Sebastian Hala any opportunity in Siakai and I think say they are doing very well. Nana may share nim say Yebenya a very nice football, Yebenya beautiful football. But looking at how things is going in there, I think say Ivory Coast a favorite. Say to me a winning against the Nigerians.
All right, any Kofi here. Quick one, Yankofa commentary number Nigeria versus Ivory Coast.
Okay, we share the last two matches I want to share. Obi a winning in Yonko. We share the last one. Nigeria said Ivory Coast 2-1, and the last one was Ivory Coast 2-1, which means one the petu no one who are no like I say. I was about African football and Nigeria and Ivory Coast and more soon Nigeria upper hand. And I will share the two teams in here, coaches and changes. I will matches in my players and also assistant the new players there Ababi William, which means Obia here then a win to qualify to the next stage. We share Nigeria Quambia so and others say we here win and answer draw because in the next game when to me and rename automatically you are out of the game. let me say ebeya so say ama won ti wo match that's the reason about your coaching why you changes o ma san information here then obo say na ebeya ebe suit players na won na betimi ya the qualify ko no we hwe Ivory Coast nso ya the first match we win the second match we win ya automatically we qualify and I say onya 4 points kra onya bodra na onya 4 points the second third best you can qualify from that group into no hwe two teams in your match anu be dey am two teams but hwe Nigeria momu na ye eager more say we then obetimi anya win na wetimi then akwale etimi asile won the wetimi akọ the next stage ntino e say na yenhwe na coaches no changes no aye no say dem ya bi babuya two teams na say ago no kwa wi na ebi say wentimi say obi ani abre person win match because it's African Cup aye but enye ebe easy and say ebe yare we say in the group stage na Nigeria and say Ivory Coast and say umba akwa den asen afima esa na tournament na ho ode ne den 8 ba from kakra nti ebe tough game but the best team will win.
The best team will win. And a senior on duty by Johnny Life on Facebook for prediction or commenting for go for bra na YouTube and so no forward. Yes, we may break. I can kind of out and so our give us a chance here. You can for live commentary and for Twaso and for Emma. Right, Akuma 97.1. And then you may live commentary on your favorite station from Ivory Coast to Total African Cup of Nations. The match between the host, Ivory Coast, and our first one of the Super Eagles of Nigeria. A big game, Papa. A big game when it comes to the African continent and the world football. Ivory Coast playing against Nigeria. And Tampayan Chambrante Dubakua Omu Jeremesi Akanyama Fanumi and Chelsea fan through the host Ivory Coast goalkeeper Nidin Antonware Yahia Fofana or the post to the defenders in here Indika Diamante Abrantia Nidere Conan midfield Ruba second Fofana on our first goal on your man of the match Sergio Rie, Abranton and Frank Cassie, Samsona Christian Kwame, Anafe Ibrahim Sangari up front, Jeremy Boga, Anafe Abranton Dean, and so Jean Philippe Crasso, William Rantedua Komisha Sierra Ivory Coast, the host, Nigeria Kache, goalkeeper Dean Antonare, Stanley. In Wabili or the post to the defenders now. Abrantanidi Ansono Ade Zaidu Samsona Trust in Gun Captain Ajayi Olaina midfield Calvin Bassi Abrantia Frank Oyinka Santuna Samuel Chukwueze Alex Uwopi Ademola Lukman and a big man Victor Osimhen. Winning Rantedua Komisha Serama, the Super Eagles of Nigeria, referee from Algeria, Mohamed Gobal, Ono Ana Odi Gebno. So far, about 3 minutes. Ivory Coast 0, Nigeria 0. Between Kelvin and Ponteri come here, get a boss player. The summarizers, Ayumure Henry Kofi Asar Jr., Kid Vibro. Santuna senior on duty Anonso Etemwaha Kwam Sierra Ziggy Apajuma Facebook no chagu YouTube no chagu for messages for YouTube Facebook SMS 0551 667755 0551 66 7755 0270 191 971. And temporary job Calvin Bassi that from Calvin Bassi or a form Parasara Johnny Enso, the big man. Pona Babidi trusting on for Nigeria. We're jamming about Calvin Bassi Beding. Jamanama Alex Wobi, Bob Parson and Surebi, non coach Ulaina, Ivory Coast na balance to trusting gong. A Jipon man goalkeeper. And what Bill upon him. Santa Circle wine and it is so. Samuel Chukwueze to Victor Osimhen. Nigeria never. Now so referee say foul. Referee Kabal Mohamed from Algeria. I said foul here. Victor Osimhen. I didn't sack a war. Ivory Coast Brantiano. It's a referee say foul. A Brantiano di Eric Conan. The Popon in Tempaso. Bonabedi. Ndika. For Ivory Coast Center Sankosa. Also wine up. Germany Akoma. Diamante to Conan. Oh, Chawai Diamano. Sandy Akoma Diamante. Our Ivory Coast Chiro Patupana. Amu ball passes, you know. I don't see about Sergio Ria, Captain Fantastic. Or ball pass, you know. Ivory Coast Neko, wine. A Branton T. Antonio Ware, Sergio Ria, Jamu, Sergi, or Shobi Diamano, Opia, Mawine, Jamu Diama, Branton and Antonio. Christian Kwame to Ria, Nantorabi, Bonafa, or Gia say. Nigeria Club Lines, Calvin Mbasi, Rastaman. What cleaning lines said a free. That's upon in time pass to Sangari to Sergio Ria over Cristiano. Sergi, what Jamariama Cassie, back to Sergio Ria. What the Aquatriama Sangari Ibrahim to Seko Fofana. Ivory Coast Nanto once again. Calvin Bassi. Once again, Calvin Bassi. You pointed the free Nigeria for throw. Throw in a turn Tempaso. I will show you here. What Jamariama Sangari Ibrahim. What cross it? That be a payment of floor. Bonabedi, Conan to Jeremy Boga. Boga the left hand side to the Urumsa. Jeremy, what Jamudama second for Fofana Nepa, searching for the player. What Jamudakoma, Frank Kessie the right hand side of Crostana. What crossed the Simo, Dabi. Bono Amfa. Jean-Philippe Crasso. Here that Amfa. And take goal kicker. Yelbetu Waretia, the Elephant of La Côte d'Ivoire, the host. About a tournament to Ivory Coast. Watch me, you know. Watch me in the year 1992. And after 2015. Bonica, Nigeria, Samuel Chukwueze. Pierre Bonner, come up, Branton, and Sonade. Oinka back to Chukwueze. About Arsenal. Victor Osimhen. This could be the opener for Ivory. Nigeria Derby. Victor Osimhen. Mamma mia. It was a big opportunity. And about a big man. Victor Osimhen. Only goalkeeper. Gofi. Big opportunity in Nigeria, but one was tomorrow.
Of course, now a very big chance at the Nigeria, and they've started again. I've said, Sir Victor Osimhen, looking at the pedigree as a striker with experience, or no, to me, it is good. Said this time around, obey to me, I make good use of opportunities, or no, so better than obey to me, once no one and I'm so, and Grasso, the goalkeeper, and to me, I think, sir. What they did in their first game, no, the same thing in Nigeria for near day, one more year. When you are playing a game like this, now we have this glorious opportunity. That's what I was saying there. Then I think it's very unfortunate on the part of Victor Osimhen.
It was a big opportunity for the big man, and so I said Bono corner 5 Coast. Now here there's small Derby goalkeeper in Wabili. Wabachibono. And the American Alataya, Iwobi, Alex Iwobi for Nigeria. And then we're part of that too. Nigeria Echo, Samuel Chukwueze, big opportunity. Down to the Derby goalkeeper. Referee outside. End-to-end action. This is what we call football. About the big teams are when you're expecting from them end-to-end actions. Bormache, a my dear White, Okuma 97.1. Betway. I see get way more. Bear eyes. I see my Philippa. B&G Ventures. There's a Blessing and Greatness Ventures. Tiles, roofing sheets, security doors, plumbing materials, building cement, POP cement, paint, polytanks, Nina B&G. Mampone-Akuapem. I want to put them. When you're happy. Loma. Vista IPS. Osisuku Napa. Ivory Coast Nasrabia corner. Two fingers laundry. You're cleaning in your mouth. Office, hospital, banks, car interior, home. Are you cleaning? Fumigation. Nina Bear. Terrazzo cleaning. Carpet cleaning. Nina 2 fingers laundry. Friend 05033019994. 05033019994. In Dinkomo. Corner 5 equals. Yaya Simo Tabi. Nigeria for a period through. Nigeria never. Alex Wobi. Wabono boom. There sim. Why not it is so? Why never? Nigeria. Chukwe. Say now Sanfa. Pony I say. Some more Chukwese. Atemola Lukman. Victor Osimhen leading the front line for the Nigerians. Ivory Coast. Abrante Jean-Philippe Crasso. Jeremy Boga. Christian Kwame. Any more better than Ivory Coast. A Japaya Construction and Junior Merchant. Pan Quarry blocks 5 inches, 6 inches. Sand blocks 5 inches, 6 inches. Hollow, OB. Banabwanya, OB. Iron rods, OB. Binding wires, OB. Bra, a Japaya. Live man in the Twitter. Fred Japaya was 0244 719814. 0244 719814. A corner for Nigeria. A corner for the Super Eagles of Nigeria. Pinte Akoso between Kasi and Chukwese. A corner for Nigeria. Abrante Zaidu. What to corner no high. Nansurabi Obianuo. Ivory Coast never. Seko Fofana. The one thing such a trouble. Seko Fofana. Jamana still with the ball. Seko, you can't do that war. Mamma mia. Seko Fofana. Ojibwana, Ubwa, Osinsisi Kwabrafo. 13 minutes played. 13 minutes played. Ivory Coast 0. The Super Eagles of Nigeria 0. Senior on duty still 0-0.
Okay, 0-0, but we share 2 teams now. Obia airborne no more than we share born. I didn't do affair. Obia born no make sure say Obayan Alpha Monday Senator can go back, but we share 2 teams now. Share Nigeria Nanya clear chances far, which means say and Cabana also will put 2 balls into the net. But to me, I was there. A new move for making sure I say Obayan very clinical because born here born we here win into Nigeria. We need a chance to be I was say we say no because yes happen it means say ball man from they was say we make sure we need a chance because we here win at all costs. So they also make sure say we win now chances in the bar because we bought 2 teams now we say in the first Nigeria made for the night I open the door. Now intimate go back to share in the second wash and will be in a chuki the one making sure say move very tight Emma born here the intimate you to the other reservation. Ivory Coast for born for the win Senegal waiting my penetrating what my cross and what the one going to know. Just what born is your team said when you be papa be FMTino 2 teams in Egu when my coach will be a bopa.
I know a senior on duty. And now Akuffo free are joining me. A big game. A big game. The can't send you 8 p.m. Mamma mia. The Black Stars of Ghana against the Pharaohs of Egypt. The Egyptians we see today, we shall see them no more. And anyway, atena no bɛkasa deɛ ama Ghana aka kyerɛ sɛ woyɛ deɛ Ghana bɛwini wopɛ Ghana bɛwini bɔɔl na bɛdi Ivory Coast bɔɔl sɛ this could be the opener next to Dabi bɔɔl aberanteɛ ne din yɛde Indika boy no ɛnkyɛ goalkeeper Brody bɛsɛ it was feeble. It was a feeble shot. As the Munya ding. Or the weaker foot in the boy in Tisana Beba. Ahmed on Facebook or so God bless Super Eagles. More than man, I say up Nigeria by God's grace. Alatayao. More Nigeria first I say. We normally lose Ukraine. Say last match. Last match on Munya Butre. 17 minutes near Paul. Ivory Coast 0, Nigeria 0. Bona Kwakodi, Nigeria goalkeeper. Wabili wa Germany ama. Ajayi to trust in God. Central defense. Onapan Fifi. Ademola Lukman Epa, Nigeria, where Germany ama Zaidu be crossiana, Watami Zaidu, Obete, Zaidu, Japan star on the left hand side, that be on the ball aquache. Hey, Christian Kwame, also Shani Ochere, but Germany Frank Kessie to Seko Fofana Chiche, Jeremy Boga, Asama Bedi Seko Fofana, center, Seko to Frank Kessie, Kessie Baba Passanana, one more Passano, Dabi, Passanan Wadi in Tatrasia. Eric, a work soccer agency. Semin Kancha, Mimita, Quasiada, our Mampon, Park and so. Justify Cassia, Unimborn the Barbara, Unimborn the Bar, but top form Sinibi, Nabra. 50 Ghana citizen Mama, 30 Ghana citizen Ma, Namimita, Yenshia Mampon. Eric, a work soccer agency, Mamantity. But what to quack Quabro Kobo, Eric, a agency, soccer agency. Me say justify no passo, Mimita. And Quasiada. Better form Sinibi Waha. Okuma 97.1. Borabedi, it will be our center circle. The question about Captain Trust and Gong to Ajayi in the ball upon him. Ajayi, a bookama Sosipa. Trust upon boom the free wall. Beautiful from Ola Aina. Now see you born in the free wall. Ola Aina. Beautiful one from him. Ola Aina. Born club football. Edema Nottingham Forest. Our English Premiership. Nigeria Brantia Bakura from. Abrantia Zaidu da from. Zaidu Eda from. In the temporary order, Francesco Tia Solimano. Zaidu Eda from. Batway. Yeah, baby. Batway. See, get way more. Batway cash out of Anapa. Cash out big on Batway. Bell Ice drinks. Lemon, pineapple, orange. Vodka mix, whiskey cola, penny for the day. And we whiskey cola no, but Pomi and Data, and Legend Wasro. And you remember Aqua said the pharaohs of Egypt. And Kwaramu Koskua, a bell cola, bell squeeze orange, tropical, grapes, mononom, Ababuamo. Born out in Nigeria, Victor Osimhen, Yamanakwai. Dika, I want here there. Diamante, Achiro Simena Huane. Diamante, Achiro Simena Huane. I want there. We have some what do. What there? There. Obianzizi. Bian Popo and Angelo. Bona Babidi, Enfinfin, Ivory Coast, Francesca de Abani Fafem Sergio Oria Chichawai, Orama Seko Fofana, so Germany Ama, Christian Kwame a ball passing over Debbie. Nigeria for the year for Alex Wobi, was too soon for Fefe, or Germany Ama Zaidu never Yakan not war. Francesca, I know Zaidu not war, the Fawetia, the Elephants of La Côte d'Ivoire. Oche head to head between Ivory Coast and Nigeria there. Oh my boy, baby. My boy, baby. The last 5 meetings between Ivory Coast and Nigeria. Nigeria winning 3. Ivory Coast are winning 2. That's Nigeria were partner Ivory Coast. So. Abrantianini ade Ademola Lukman Rastamai Namusa Ajinidin Bon Club Football Arma Salanta Antonawa Aye Italian Sirianim Bon Amedi Nigeria Nepa Ademola Lukman or Germany Samuel Dance to two questions for a baby born there free him. Abedi Ivory Coast, Ibrahim Sangari, Wapianama, Jeremy Boga, Jeremy, also Germany Sangari beam. Sangari, stretch a bonnet, Teniama, Nifafem, Nansu the Biobi, and Wabona Trasetro. Bona Trasetro, Nanka, Ibrahim Sangari, Chucha, Christian Kwame. Nanson in sentiment cano. That's two born in 10 pounds to Nigeria never. Some more Chukweze. The Mekanatua, Chukweze, Chubakumi and Miensa, Wapiana Zaidu, Abacrossana, Zaidu across it. Nigeria, Victor Mendabi, Bonapim. Miscommunication between Ademola Lukman and Osman. Atia Fasuane, Ivory Coast never. Seko Fofana, or Chichabrante, Gianfilippe Crasso, Wabo Passano, Dabi, nice interception from Trosting Gong, Ayansanka Swashibaye, and the Atia Faso, Nigeria, Mamma Mia, wasted opportunity. Hey, end-to-end action panier. We're quite on the aquatic. It's a bar on the aquatic. Anyhow. Kim Brown, anyhow. Abiyama na Udi. Anyhow. A corner for Nigeria. Bakimianu, Yatukwana, and Yasizewo, Dabi. Another corner kick again. Ademola Lukman. Nanibra Breno. Johnny live on Facebook. Me say for prediction for a channel for Facebook. Okuman Radio 97.1 corner. For the Super Eagles of Nigeria. A corner for Nigeria. The corner in the system. Dabi, hi. The clear lines now. Boom, Ivory Coast for no. I'm going to pass them. 24 minutes still Ivory Coast 0. Nigeria 0. Come on 97.1. Nigeria never Lukman Befana. Now so they be on your wall. 1 to for every year 0-0 Ivory Coast and Nigeria.
Well, it's been a good game so far. For the temple of the game, and gradually both teams will make themselves into the game. But one thing I've realized is that Nigerians in all the time when we do anymore, as if say pressure or musokakra, obia per se, or showcasing and say, oh you're good. Well, Nigerians attackers and they are well proven players at their class, but for now no, you have to come together and play as a team so that the team will gel. So I'm hoping say because all the time you realize Victor has been complaining because the passes he has been wanting in terms of crosses in Aden and because Obia per se or say means to me You know, for now, they have to come together and play as a team.
They have to come together and play as a team. And then another Akuffo free the foot tournament Nigeria. Abrante Zaidu menye ni so betuma to aso. Asai atenase. Zaidu asai atenase. Batway. Bow eyes. 2 fingers laundry. Carpet cleaning service. Loma Vista IPS. And Japan Construction and General Merchant. Erika World Soccer Agency. Obukraimu. B&G Ventures, Blessing and Greatness Ventures. Wasi adansi uniaba Branabato. Ajua Pokeanam. Etemo Maryland, US of A. No tunchi anabasa. Ajua nebusiani nyina michamo. Anajo konkom makura na ajua mutie comment. Obi asuma. Ajua Pokeanam. Eonam Opokuya. Didino dia. Ajua Pokuya wanam Pokuya. Hey. PR bako pe. Biyo kum jazi PR. A temporary up. A temporary fans snapper. Nigeria fans snapper. Nigeria fans no omapa. Solo ku omuchi no. Anya ize. Anya solo ku ketu akura. Yantu a game no so born akori. Ivory Coast Abrante corner. Jeremy Boga. Kofi, I said Jeremy Boga are quiet in a game.
Yes, why quiet? Because any no OGC needs no Nanka him said this particular tournament, ABR obey to me showcase that kind of quality. But I think say a strategy and Nigerians for no AU Suniti and Ama Yahunisa. And of course, anytime be our man opportunity. Obi 18-yard box ni more best edge forward no look dangerous. So I think say a tactical play from the Nigerians, you know. And I say this game no Akropong deny the midfield. Ivory Coast no take controlling the midfield because first game Nigeria for no wo share Sanyana Oma position or in the midfield now. This time around no you tactical changes. Nigeria for almost set up in him. And Amas and Ivory Coast for no take control in the midfield. But Osha send a game and I think it's a very, very interesting game. And I yet to me I witness it and then
28 minutes. The Elephant of La Côte d'Ivoire 0. Nigeria, the Super Eagles 0. Okuma 97.1. You're live on Facebook, YouTube. Enjoy commentary, no? A free kick, another foul for Nigeria. Ibrahim Sangari. Or the Samuel Chukwueze to from. It's a foul, your body at Tiano. And you made 8 p.m. Abayere. Ghana versus Egypt. Zaidu never for Nigeria across Ghana. We're crossing us to goalkeeper. For Ivory Coast, for one kukura, Sabokra. Ivory Coast snapper Sangari, the center circle. Olusubuana pressure Bebanoso. Now still with the ball. Sangari appear passing on as the Amanfo. Trusting Gong, while Branson crash to 2 Ebukra. Trusting God, Nanso Ovia and Wasson Kotoji. Wasson Kotoji, trusting God, Wasson Kotoji. Trusting God, Wasson Kotoji, Captain of Nigeria. Or walk on to everyone who Wasson Kotoji. The big man, Didier Drogba. The big man, Didier Drogba. Or Tim, my channel, my Ivory Coast. See. Makai. Kai waji. Ade mo bon no Drogba anje Afcon. Ofi mo na 15 on maji. Football. Football kind of Drogba bobo Africa anya anje Afcon.
Na serious. O share Drogba pa.
Anje Afcon.
Na when to me anje Afcon pa. Sometimes a generation no.
Yes.
We say generation e bi wo ha.
But mo squad no so pa. That time the peak of Yaya Toure, Kolo Toure, Ocho Seydou Doumbia, Okwe Chire Wanuma, Ibrahim Koni mo, Solomon Kalou mo peak. But all these players, you know, Eba Beji, the 2015 rather, na Drogba FM.
Osi won wo. Ebia na eyon 14, ebia ni tina enye yie so obeji bi. But anka one of the greatest generation for Ivory Coast.
Ivory Coast, the example
yes. Drogba more time now. Now at least. Now was some come to me GB. But sometimes na ya na sa na tie.
Ade ochom kasa oche Ronaldo Nazario.
Yeah.
Champions League 1 GB.
1 GB.
Yes, 1 GB.
So those times na enye easy for Madrid ni ade.
No fi obi anomaje obi fu na we aje.
Utinye yi asa o.
Sa ofi Barcelona anomaje na wakwa AC no ne ade na na no sa na okọ Madrid.
Ofi ha na omaje
ofi anomaje obi du afomaje ewie dada.
Na omaje ewie. Di.
Eti ball na dey sa. Utira nye ya trophy bu a onyi bi da. Obi anse Ronaldo onyi World Cup.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo. So World Cup is any use anya do bit magic.
I want to mean na
ya we do idiot.
Onya man kwala no.
2026 no kodi obeko na obi anu kra no. 2026 oyi dis obeko.
Ba ya obetumi akọ. Ba as to some begin na ya asem.
Anani asem.
Portugal ewo individual players.
Yes.
But mu ni team mama ese Nigeria for ya. Ene Ghana. Eno so na ye higher. Twa from bosa.
Ghana will players. Africa had here. Nigeria and Ghana the crucial players.
Yes.
In terms of names.
Names.
Africa, Nigeria and Ghana.
But say Ghana names in number form.
Oh, but confidence all kind of say once way back on.
Yeah.
They were not playing in the top leagues. But do you know as in say Bobo, they are committed. But look at our players. Even the young players, he's almost West Ham. A bit ball like top leagues in Europe.
Yeah, Crystal Palace.
Yeah, Crystal Palace.
Yeah, Monaco.
Yeah, Monaco.
Yes, Lyon.
Yeah, like almost ball EP on the Bundesliga and La Liga. And only teams are leagues are almost French league. I don't know more. But then times you know your local players no crap frame. But just you know you're committed. And I'm always say Dino on.
Yes.
I don't know. I call for Nigeria. Hey, I call you Abram uniform. Born Abedi. Zeidu wedding or the koma Ola Aina be cross yana wa cross yo Debbie Ivory Coast ye de fiwo omo na ba no Abidjan Debbie na so omo na just yo makwan Abranta Jai asi omo where you dey go na wa clear no dey fiwo wa clear Abranta ni yare Frankese Frose, she. Omano Kwankra. Ivory Coast Sniper. Seko Fofana. Germany Christian Kwame. Kwame to Sergio Aurier. Center Teko is Ibrahim Sangari. To Intika. Surgeon 4-4. The Ivorians. Onya Conan be Crossiana. Conan. One nice ano. No chomo. We Germany akoma. Frank Cassie to Sangari looking for Fofana. Wanya Fofana Obechutiana Seko Bonapim. Hey, Seko Fofana. And Alataya Nebano Nigeria Derby Ivory Coast for a share. Moboa. And your manager Moboa Yamamukai. Ivory Coast Neba Jeremy Boga and Boga born and Mink and Anaka 5 pay. About 34 minutes. Jeremy Bogan and I can born a 5 pair. And at the Enva. How about any Mizzou now? Jeremy Boga and Fenumre. Nigeria. Abranta Demola Lukmaya won in the natural. And the referee from Algeria. ɔsɛ foul etia abranteɛ Indika Pito Masimani hey abranteɛ CAF president rada CAF president team foul yes foul tia Seyoria foul tia Seyoria Patrice Musepe otem atwabi Seyoria wakocha Zairu into a free kick. Referee Mohamed Gopal from Algeria was a free kick at here. Ivory Coast man in the Obwa. Hey! Oh, Debbie. Mami Monsem. Omo one fe pa. Hey! Wow, Tifia na make be also sa. Utifia na me kan for Ivory Coast man na make be also sa. Free kick for Nigeria, but upon the number you be. Echo corner line was the far from Ivory Coast, the far from corner line was na. Ademola Lukman de chire. Pinche across the referee Gopala Frasi. Wa be go. Maje foul it yawo. Free kick for Nigeria. Lukman. Abobo ni de Simo Debi ha. Bonam crossbar so. Abranza Jai. Ordinary tipping ball on some crossbar so. Bonus a Bobby Sao. Amobianza. Football and trickers. Players, I'm my president is a referee mistake. Go kick your ball in Tempaso. Bonababidi. Abranteni Ade. Diamante or Germany Ama. Indeed, kind defense for Ivory Coast to Abrante Corner on the left hand side. Aside Aperture, central defense. Adema Diamante, center circle. Mapia Erchuche Krasu, Dabi Nigeria. As he never show Nigeria through. Bonavidi Christian Kwame to Frank Kersey. Kersey 10-10 Jeffrey Samana. Ivory Coast never and also Calvin and pass. We appear passing them and the goalkeeper. In Wabili. Upon the Bim, the same wine and it is so. Osiman, that be. Osiman a Fabono. Victor Osiman. Obepia passing on. Osiman. Germany Ama Branton in Oyinka. Franco Yinka to Ajayi. Right hand side. Ola Aina. Ola Bekwana, Nanso Corner, beautiful defending from Abante Corner, Wama Ola Kwai. Attacking throw for the Super Eagles, Elias Eddie upon Facebook. Oh, hey, Masa. Attacking throw for Nigeria. Oyinka Frank was on him. Frank Oyinka was on him. Fairness, referee said, are you okay? I say, Oyibo, I'm fine. Throw for Nigeria, attacking throw liner. While 22nd alo. Hey, I can't go Oyibo na fi. Nigeria player now. And yeah, Ivory goes never. No, ya bo pass no. Seko Fofana Befana. On your Befake. Seko. Yes, Wafa. Seko betu BT. Calvin Bassi. 2 against 1. Yamana Kwai. Seko Fofana. Ojiba. Emma Mionu never no so. No one thing. Senior. Still 0-0. 39 minutes.
First half when we just have a draw. First half we draw. Because we share after new Benuna. I didn't do a person American. We shall because for now. So when you're born, we do Nigeria anymore. Which means who missing Nigeria for? I wish Nigeria for do anymore. I say now I can. I say be young open say or say go no say on was say go into ama born there was what anyone who went team but we shall because for now. We do Nigeria for we make sure say at least we be near the correct manner. Which may shoot you from afar. And I say we should know be up there attack there. I should go to say I because anyone here very sharp. More as in Nigeria because Nigeria for your born when I ask be young open be able to be because we share chance when you Nigeria for nya more chance, clear chance more sin Ivory Coast, but you know what me find then and share what there anymore. What you make go in one casa. Now what as a team ball. Now what you control ball anymore, what me as a bit on course. What's your ball now? Corner and freaky snare in a common Nigeria, but what me find Ivory.
And throw for Ivory Coast. 40 minutes and a ball. The turning 10 pass to ball now within Nigeria. Abrantia Jai center circle. A ball long pass. Ball to baby cry. Ball to baby cry. A ball to baby cry. Betway. Pair eyes. A Japaya. 2 fingers Landry. Samson Aloma Vista. Blasting and Greatness Ventures. Oman and Yomoko. Banavidi Conan 5 because our left hand side Gemini Jeremy Boga. Boga 2 Seko Fofana. Quick upon Chuchobi. Wapiana my Ibrahim Sangari. Our midfield 5 because Sangari never. Wapian Pasano. Ivory Coast. This could be the opener. Ivory Coast. Dabi or the Akropong-Akuapem. Jeremy Boga soon into me Boga be Bogana Boga 1 against 2 wa Jeremy Conan wa cross you Derby Amfa Nigeria Baba Chibono Bona be Ajayi in defense for Nigeria wa Jeremy captain Trust Ngong to Calvin Bassi. Nigeria elbow 3 back. Tosha Calvin Bassi, Trust Ngong, Ajayi. Amon elbow central defense with Ula Aina and Zaidu as lateral. Tomo ball 2 wing backs, 1 on the left, 1 on the right. Ula Aina and Zaidu with Frank Oyinka, Alex Iwobi. Abrantanidi Ede Chukwemeka. I won't feel our face, Victor Osimhen and Ademola Lookman up front. See, Ghana likely said that's our formation. I mean, you may have a ball. And we're 3 back now. Born up by the Ivory Coast. Abrantanidi Ede. Seko Fofana, Pierre Akropong-Akuapem Mariama, Conan, pass and Alpha, Ababe Nigeria, tempo of the game no, Amanfo, Govi Amanfo.
Nana, the temple of the game no at me from because of 3 teams Ninano. I think say for now, almost me understudy one but I think say Nigeria for no and Osha formation na one air but it's na walk na one say on paper no a 3-4-3 but some more game no ma tactical approach no exercise because so when to me and yes to me air match Ivory Coast for midfield no all they say Ivory Coast air but 3 midfield no take control the midfield but almost some problem no and say transition to attack no and a problem because so we should give me Nigeria 8 shots no ma boni none of them is on target but to me about as much as 3 so it clearly tells you Ivory Coast for no you so wins no more and say nana say yana one more air baby game ne pa there then I think it's a very difficult say to me and go most especially in the first half but I think it's the temple of the game no to me from because of tactical approach 2 teams no able
born up in Nigeria Abrantia Jai the 19 things I know the born neighbor. Nigeria for hey Eddie. We're there about I'm listening to you live from the United States of Latte. I'm enjoying this commentary. It's Mafia. I'm supporting you. Okay, Mafia. And you mean to support yes. A corner for Nigeria. Nigeria corners in the Buburuja. Don't tell them fine yet, Chesa. Ademola Lukuma Nigeria corner nechi. Why there Simo Dabi? Ya boni bimness ya tu baby Abrante Zaidu. Wa bought to baby kura jina ome. Wa bought to baby kura. Wa bought to baby. Nigeria fans no. I'm see yeah, oh more. Waiting me this, waiting me this. See waiting me this. Yabo go kicking in as him. Bonabedi Christian Kwame 5 Ricos. Dabi Okosusu Obi Amfa. A throw in favor of the Super Eagles. 45 minutes or so. Roughly the 3 minutes and a half or so. Yabo 2. Hey, Yabo 1. Victor Osimhen for Nigeria. Nigeria. Alex Iwobi. Oba Crossiana. Alex Iwobi. Akwe. Hey. The ball na kwa quarter line. Hey, Urani. Omo Naija. Hey, Omo. Waiting me this. And fan Nigeria kra. Oh, Debbie. Omo Naija. Aye ba komo wie, e ba ni noodles ni beans and komo di awie. Ah! Adi ani. Obi na kan say adi na mi win. Ivory Coast 0, Nigeria 0. Total African Government live commentary on Okoma 97.1. Apopo ni desi mabedi Victor Osimhen for Nigeria. Osimhen wapia pasi na Machukweze Ochicha Brante Ademola Nabi Ademola se men kokora na mahano men kokos min timfa. Nigerian for 3 minutes referee to so Abomu to Akawan. Referee Gabel from Algeria. Our Kama, our fine. Bonica, Ivory Coast. Abrantie, Diamante Wajabudaba. Indica to Diamante. Santasaco, the Ivorian Sergeant for it. The Francais back to Indica. Indica, they are coming from Achiche. Seko Fofana Nepa. Ono Ajibona, or boss in Sisi Kwabrafo. Seko. The pass and Amfania, Omo Naija Bano. Omo, Ono Sanfa, we. Then I idea, of toss me because teams in Infa. 3 minutes in Aso. 3 minutes I referee the toss in Aso. Ivory Coast 0, Nigeria 0. Referee from Algeria, Mohamed Gopal. Wapona beni ofeli kanina panamiye. Nigeria. Amasantu. Zomani ya wine you. Nigeria 0, Ivory Coast 0. Akamiyaka Ghana 0. 8 p.m. Ghana echina kono against the Pharaohs of Egypt. Amu buakura. Mesi yabese upa no wabanchia. Yabese Egypt. Cultural. Yabese Egypt. Na yewia Monday Mozambique ayama ye ne abafi ntino. I don't know. Na se ka sen confirm Betway Ghana, Betway. O see Brana betwa na cash out pick. Sound so na Bellwise as we cry mu antino. Me so resina KB and so the LPM so na kan no say aboafo no and so the film audi mo no na say dey. I said the engine audi mo no. That fin so no. Ano say the aka. I dey at also and so the media the Kelvin upon said senior on duty. Henry Kofi Asare General na Kofi free. Omo nyina wantimi so na K Brown. And so then return the kakra and so to me at the film and so no at the amai.
Mo bo live band I didn't open live band that was occasion as I say a wedding outdoor and that's a year right Japan year now on the what the best live band I'll be Barima a year Twumhene na better be live band papa Japan construction and general merchant Freya 02447 19814 locate here I would do near a Star Oil filling station. Two fingers. And yet 2 fingers now, Jenny, 2 fingers now, yeah, you no, yes. 2 fingers when 2 fingers laundry. 2 fingers laundry. What's it say? Carpet cleaning.
Okuma 97.1 second half national here. The match between Ivory Coast and our friends on Nigeria. Mobia into me NJB Nigeria 0. Ivory Coast and Sono 0. So far, Govi, first toss me no Ashas here. What expectations going into the second half?
No, I think we share first half senior game no ekoya ebe hia say Nigeria for no omutumi peja omobo brem kakra because we share tactics no omobo na intumi favor omo ye ama womo attack no aye little bit slow because anytime bia Victor Osimhen be for area ball no Eunya play obetumi support on because so ball players some year wingers are no to me cutting in obviously so build the attack now one lone striker always be no say striker ne kwa on to me nya supporters players on betumi a support on more build the attack no say be ya on benya a very good smooth attack intino say Nigeria for no betumi a improve kakra e wo hono no benya players on betumi a support Victor Osimhen e wo anim ho I wouldn't be surprised say be Nigeria e betumi anya go ewo game way but notwithstanding no I think said the Ivorians also have the potentials and the quality so we met me punish Nigerians until the end how our Omasha second half years no we met me at taking good use of our chances no.
I know Henry Kofiasa Junior Ken Vibro senior 2 minutes into the second half still Ivory Coast 0 Nigeria 0.
AK senior Kano we say Nigeria in here win. In the second half, we say we manage to make sure to offer another tactics. Ebe buya one we me any goal because in the first half we who say Ivory Coast will take it forward, you know. Emma in field for a team Nigeria, Emma it will be a drop back. They can't a midfielders in one. That's the reason here. Anytime we are now we say Usman can win one. So in the second half, there was a coaching team map. A strategy for a bit me abuya ama it will be much me ago then ako win him. Chukwueze them waiting one ako win him. Say na buya. Enquire Victor Nkuya anymore because we share Victor Nkuya anymore. I because no defenders 2 ejina no so nti man nya kwa mobile e so bo nti ball be so na wabre so I was to make sure so what the plan for by ebe buya because Nigeria here go because ultimately because say about 2 matches as you Nigeria now we near them we need points be and say we nti Nigeria here win and ebe buya won for them to qualify to the next stage.
I know a senior on duty Born Akwechira Kodi, captain for Nigeria, Trust Ngong. Upon the Tintin, they are coming from now so that be Sergio Rea, you born for Christian Kwame, Yamano Kwan Calvin Bassi in what team? No what team Calvin Bassi, or you pony the free Nigeria for NT. A throw for the Ivorians, 49 minutes, Ivory Coast 0, Nigeria 0, Sergio Rea. But I bet you them are planting in the Diamante to Indika at the pony bar center or the bar left hand side. Abrantia the Jeremy Boga to Conan to Indika to Diamante. But Jeremy they are right hand side captain the Ivory Coast never. And what here there now so that be born at trash here. A throwing in favor of the Nigerians. Abranta Zaidu and then you know what the agro Alex will be a passing there come Ademola now see a car Ademola de Nato Ademola catches a referee or said no charm man card. Now the referee from Algeria got ball or see Nyabotre. Men are the middleman Nyabotre. We anke yellow card. Cause Ibrahim Sangari said that. Now so referee Mohamed Gabala catch Ademola say look man Nyabotre a yellow ame de mano. Trusting God captain a referee or say my referee with the yellow card. Referee say oh they mate. 50 minutes of Kuma 97.1 live commentary Total African Cup of Nations. The match between Ivory Coast, the host, and Nigeria. Nigeria never. Victor Osimhen, but my father, my 4 pound Osimhen, and one thing, Nigeria, hey, Dabi, Paul inside, Borabedu Zaidu, Osimhen the boxing him, other form, Zaidu, Dabi, Ivory Coast for Kalama Lines, Abedi, Abrantia ne din Eric Christian Kwame now so Calvin Bassi no one thing Yamano Kwan Bonabidi Zedu appear there come all Chukwa and Meka now so there be some more Chukwezi Victor Seman at a form Victor Seman at a soda form or that box until referee say young Hody one referee I see young Hody one Victor Seman yeah ni bibiana you could any musa born nine Van go reviewer so Shibaba bet me a penalty for Nigeria yes because a brand here in the Diamond in the Ankabono where the end Mozambique in Egypt the be pepe so Van go reviewer as so Shibaba Badiama Ivory Coast pa Vano check it Vano check a brand here Diamond that's why I say see referee Kwakwa check the video assistant referee Mohamed Gabal or share the video assistant referee na say Ivory Coast defender na nkabo na ne yanka dia asosiaba nana referee Vano yana juma
for this boy it's a clear penalty. And it will be a good thing for Nigeria if say Ombe take it lead our game way because first half we realize say na individual errors from players of Nigeria was too much because obi benya ball obi lay pass for the player na player no ring get to the ball because the passes in the tempo and the passes in it was very high. So second half we coaches no one kokasa second half one by one making incursions now for now no the referee is viewing the possible penalty for Nigeria. It will be a good thing for them if they are able to take the lead now.
Referee Mohamed Gopal Watcher Varnevi Wapa Osidei. A penalty for Nigeria. Diamande Kwakucha Victor Osman. Until after that, Varne review no. A penalty for Nigeria. Big decision the referee take it. Yes, a clear penalty. A clear penalty for the Super Eagles. A penalty for the Super Eagles. Victor Osman. On a penalty anymore. Nigeria. Can Nigeria take advantage? Why in the general bonnet? Why in the general bonnet? Atom Pieball. Trust in Gong, Captain Edman Nigeria. No bomb penalties. Obeke a World Cup qualifier Ghana. You could be on Nigeria. Penalty by no boy. Trust in Gong, Captain Edman Nigeria. Defender. On the general bonnet. Trust in Gong for Nigeria. Obetimi Ashana. Bakumi Enimiensa. Goal! Nigeria body opening goal in a game. Can't get it. Trust in Gong penalty. Wakari atuatenamu. Yes, Enijiaba. Abidjan Ayedin. Nigeria 1, Ivory Coast 0. Kofi, Nigeria 1.
Well, Nana, I said it earlier. Sir, Ocean Nigerians now. How am I creating chances now? Sir, I'm making good use of the chances. I'm making me take the lead and of course even get the 3 points. And Ocean, how now I'm initiating attacker. Abrante Victor CM. You go trying to 18-yard box in him now. I believe sir, a very good Edema Nigerians and I say Oma take lead in this game. And Osha Hawa William Trong Ekong it to me a call for power. Our debut to the center of the power. It me at Nigeria for taking lead in the second half here. I believe say a good at the moment. Yes, how Ivorians no able to me are responding in this game. And of course, if Nigeria phone to me she being count, I'm gonna try say tactically on to me a manage game ni now on my job 3 points much important at the moment. I think say for now no omo e deserve leader omanya
and Nigeria by the Nigerian supporters. They say I hope we has almost more trumpets for Nigeria for trumpets ba pa 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 pa. There's a Wakadia womb. Ivory Coast, baby girls 19. I actually have some Kragana best into my baby. A throw in a toilet here. Ivory Coast, 56 minutes in the airport. Ivory Coast 0, Nigeria 1. Ivory Coast 0, Nigeria 1. Go Kankati, thrusting goal, captain of Nigeria penalty. No carry to Atinemu. And foul it here, Nigeria. And foul it here, Nigeria. Bonneton Paso. Bonabidia Brantian in the corner. Corner. Beautiful. Watano for their comfy. Or they must Seko Fofana. Seko Fofana Swajemu. Back to Seko. Fofana Nepa. America Papa Seko. Victor Osimhen. Bentimia intercept another pay. Abedi corner. Corner the question number Ibrahim Sangari. Sangari to Abrantian in the Diamante to Indika center circle. Ivory Coast Nepa. Apollo pass now to goalkeeper. Bababe Yidia through. Bona Baby the Ivory Coast to be him. Bona Samba the Ivory Coast. The Ivorian surgeon forward. Indika. Obo passing on the Akoni from Sergio Rie. Beautiful control from Sergio Rie. Obe Germana. Germana Frank Cassie. And Castle to Sergi Bacrossiana. Oriana Sudapi. Obienho. Pony say, Abedi Conan. For Ivory Coast now, so referee said the foul. Outside it here, the Ivorians. Okuma 97.1. Total AFCON 2023. Betway. Pairwise. Japaye. Samsona. Eric Ewa Soke Jansi Sabra Meme Danuka Siada. The top form sono, nothing sono, justify the poor. Blasting and greatness ventures at Dancy Uniama. Bra, plumbing materials, bato. 2 fingers laundry, 2 fingers laundry. Still cleaning in Oyadi Amao. Bona Babidi. Nigeria for FM. Born on Nigeria for FM. Nigeria searching for their first win or AFCON. Nigeria fans in any achi. Amoda swear si Jamano. And Komochuchia Echo. Also between referee and I think so not trusting God. Bona Babidi, Nigeria for FM. Max Allen Gradel. Ivory Coast player on the bench. Where they about Ajua? Adiaba or say hope there's no much incursions in the game. Our Nigerian brothers do some why. Come on, you do or watching you guys live. Ajua team our Maryland or US. Samson and Latif Adiaba say keep it up, bro. Good commentary. Listening to you live from the US. Thompson Oforius, good job listening to you live from Germany. Adiaba. Ajua signed the Abasi, hope they hold on. 60 minutes on the airport. Ivory Coast 0, Nigeria 1. Go Kankesi thrust and gong. No penalty. Echo Sergio Rie, Watudia Sim. Now so Calvin Bassi up in the through. Bonabidi, Ivory Coast. Now so there be Nigeria never. Referee say handball here, Samuel Chukwueze. A handball here, Samuel Chukwueze. Ibrahim Sangari. Bona Babidi, Seko Fofana for Ivory Coast. Seko Fofana. On the pony, but passing up for the Yiponi there through, and also there be a foul. Nigeria Nepa. Aula Aina, Babo Passanana, appeared at all Victor Osimhen, Victor, no one thing, Babo Passano, that be. Gidia Friwo. Abrantia Nidia Indica was Jipono de Friwo. Victor Osimhen motivating Nigeria for no. Neni Abre. You so much commitment our Brantia anymore. Victor Osimhen. Nanka striker. How much yourself but to replace Osimhen was Abrantia Omar Sadiq. Abrantia Bedu Nigeria so pra. Yamane koye Spain okodu adechiana oye train in the Real Sociedad. Anti we udisi. A throw for Nigeria line out to the Simone should be high. Victor Osimhen. Osimhen yet niti ejuma papa. It was a big opportunity man. Victor Osimhen so many second one to be Bono. And I'm crossbar also. The mask man Victor Osimhen Onibonebo. Nigeria are intercepted Bono Babidi. Victor Osimhen, beautiful control. Where Jamudama Samo Chukwueze, Ole Pasa Asweshe, Samo Chukwueze Yamanenko, Yamanenko, Samo Chukwueze, selfish play from Samo Chukwueze. Ujabon minima, look Mananka Swashibaba, Nigeria neba, Zaidu on the left hand side across the Bewu, Dabi, no cross Namfa. A corner for Nigeria. Second half, Nigeria putting all the pressure on the Ivorians. Samuel Chukwueze, so selfish. Referee say, "Akwenya was about pass one bar, many foul." A corner for Super Eagles. Corner for Nigeria. Ademola Lukman. Ono no kwa kobo kona no. Ivory Coast Abrantia ba koda fom. Sergio Aurier other form. Sergio Aurier other form. Minyin ni so betuma to aso. Minyin ni Sergio Aurier betuma to aso. So far 63 minutes nearby. Ivory Coast 0, Nigeria 1. Enche Ivory Coast Bayern Sachara. Mi usa Nicolas Pepe. Oh, Sasano. Nicolas Pepe. Enche bebem. Ivory Coast man dia Jamana. Omo huni yako. Omo poano omo huni yako. Nigeria for no so no e de Jamani nemu. Trumpet awodo omo bo. Koda weso ayara stadium guni to so ahwe bo ni bi. Say trumpet the aviation in Nigeria for. A temporary hold up. Sergio Aurier sorry China and so. A corner for Nigeria. Napokona na Surebi Angosiaga. Corner Angosiaga. It's a goal kick for the Ivorians. The piano in temper born a baby indica. But Jamudama Seko Fofana for Ivory Coast. Seko Fofana or the pony banning him to be the Amano. The Aquachi come up Prantian are indica to Ibrahim Sangari Kukrapono Chuchobi Amano. Sangari Nepa for Ivory Coast. Ibrahim or Siam Kuyanim. But Jamudama Seko Fofana so the Bani Benkuma from the corner to Jeremy Boga. Boga, why is so quiet from the first half? Jeremy Boga, minim the into other Sujana give me more. Jeremy Boga, a coach on the network, and to referee say foul. Jeremy Boga, the win infringement at the Ama, the Ivorians, on the Genetri. Why they are to no bidding in Tiapimana, Jeremy, Bakumi and Mensa. Why they are to mo Debbie? Yapim they are to baby. Bonnie a goal kick. Ivory Coast free kick na Nkwanko Siaga. And here goal kick here ball. And here the Elephants of La Côte d'Ivoire. Ivory Coast ayen Sachara Emienu. Sergio Ria and Christian Kouami. Omufrim. Christian Kouami. Ofri mama. Abrantiani Dean Ede Jonathan Bambabem. Tansuna Jeremy Boga Frima. Nicolas Pepe Swabem. Former Arsenal player. Nicolas Pepe. Wabema Babi. Jeremy Boga. Sergio Rie. Enswa Frim. Ama Brantia Fred. On so Akuffo Nigeria Victor Osimhen rap boxing him. A draw. For 67 minutes, still Nigeria won.
No, I think it's a very good substitution and Ivorians, because Sonny and I work on Jeremy Boga are very quiet. Threat na yenim so the man Nigerian defense no won't mean farmer 1 year into amount attacking efficiency number form. And of course, it's a wish Sergio Rio and also the word to me I can and Tino what to me the film. I think it's a very good call. But it seems that Ivorians almost slow the tempo of the game. I don't know, say this particular score lineup no sa and one more epedia, but yes or no, they live to be very dangerous. And Nicolas Pepe mo abam Jonathan Bamba ominina bam omi players are very threat Edma Nigerians and of course I think say yabo almost about 67 minutes. We have some minutes our game yima. I think say anything can still happen in this game. But I see Ivory Coast at the pressure kakraba betimi enya equalizer or perhaps even to win this particular game.
No, Henry Kofi Asare Jr. Bona Babedi. Abrantia corner. Left hand side with Chemadiama. Indica to Ibrahim Sangari. Or the canny first where come Zingo across the Bono. Debbie. Line up in the field. Born say back to Seko Fofana. Ivory Coast Kukwapon South Nigeria 4 boxing echi. Ibrahim Sangari a permanent referee say foul. Referee say a foul here Nigeria omo Niger. Abrantia Frank Oyinka. Ono no kokocha Ibrahim Sangari de neto. Referee say foul. Ivory Coast for na fena Mapuka naba. Mapuka. Tuonu mugu awodwo. Hey. A free kick for the Ivorians. Baby opponent and Omo Boni Yambenya Bibi their free. Latif Chelsea Abasi, we are strongly behind the Black Stars tonight. Good luck. The Black Stars need to prove us wrong today if they deserve the jersey. And here Latif Chelsea Nadiapa. Free kick for Ivory Coast. Ibrahim Sangari. Debbie. Over the bar. In Wabili goalkeeper for Nigeria, I see they need to stay focused. Sangari, technique very good, but far and far. 70 minutes played so far. The Elephants of La Côte d'Ivoire 0. The Super Eagles of Nigeria 1. Cooling break. Nana Kofi Free cooling break number. Still Nigeria leading Ivory Coast by a long goal.
Well, this has been a good game with Nigerians coming in with a different tempo. We say second half Nigerians make all the incursions to at least get more goals, and here lies the case. And we taking the lead by a goal. It's a good goal for them and going into one because a win today whether to get a progression to the next round or not. So the tempo la they start the second half and we see how Nigerians Ivorians respond as we are witnessing the game. 70 minutes so far and 20 minutes left to go. So we see how Omebe responded.
A cooling break. Thrusting gong. The penalty or say and one here that's Ukramwaha. Nigeria 1. Ivory Coast, the host nation 0. Nigeria 1. Ivory Coast, the host nation 0. A cooling break. Samuel Chukwueze wefrim. Samuel Chukwueze wefrim ama Moses Simon Wabem. Like for like substitution. Moses Simon tournament way were very slow compared to the previous and also the last tournament. No dia Grodema Nigeria. Born abedi Moses Simon Moses, born club football, the French League 1, Edmanantes. Abedi actually trusting God captain of Nigeria. Born in the Amanfo first show like Aina. Beautiful control from Aina. And so the Sentimenka Osman, born abedi Ivory Coast. Osman Ababecha, referee self out here, Victor Osman. Victor. Victor Osman. Bonikra. Sangari Barima to pass in Nicolas Pepe. Pepe Biadeng. Jabi Bonisaye. Nicolas Pepe Afabono. Wapia de Mawai. Abranta Nidi Eric Kasi. Seko. Debi. Seko Fofana. Peace is an our name. Peace is an our name. Seko Fofana driving amfa. And then Seko Nsheda Huzo. Wachechira na sana retire na why Seko Fofana. The first match Ivory Coast born on man of the match. Born abedi in 50 Seko. Apia de akwechire de ama Conan to Abrantia Bamba Jonathan Nanswanfa. A throw for Nigeria Ola Aina. Watubon Chishe Victor Osman. Naso referee said foul here Victor. The opponent pass to Born Abedi. Abrantia Nidin Ade Cinco de Akwechiri Adama Indica Bonnetin if I feel right Nicolas Pepe over control. Beautiful Nicolas. Mapiada Kwechiri the man Cinco at the right hand side of Amanfo. Ibrahim Sangari to Pepe. At the right hand side, Pepe Nicolas Pepe, or she should be the one wine ever, or Germany Ama Branti and Indica to Diamante to Abrante, Jonathan Bamba at the balls, Jonathan to Conan Betmachana, the woman corner, Ola Aina Sonko, Conan, Pony corner. A corner kick for the Ivory and Tomani Abre. 74 minutes, Okuma 97.1, African Cup of Nations, Cote d'Ivoire 2023. Betway. Get way more. Bell Eyes or Smith Philippa. Blessing and Greatness Ventures on Sadense Uniama Brana Beto. Loma Vista IPS Secondary School Brana Bisuadie. Corner for Ivory Coast. Yapim Debbie. 2 fingers Landry or se cleaning no ya the amount. A Japaya Construction and General Merchants. Osebra blocks on the top. Size Bia on Sabeka. Brakasin, we heavy. Maybe a multi commentary. Brackets, Ediane Papa, Ubedia Moafili. Baby Atana Jojo, the baby girls, no, Eddie Didia, Brakasin, Akropong, Eves Hills Hotel, Akropong-Akuapem. Obeda Amawani Ajon, East Hills Hotel. I catch you say, anyway, be a bucket, maybe I and I now do so Jari Pukakra, and East Hills Hotel. Weekend image in a more, the weekend in man, Tim Cow, commenting position, and I say, Macam, or East Hills Hotel, as I say, Boo Group. Musi Simon Eba, the Yidia Fluo, Cinco, Wadana no Fefe for Ivory Coast at Tifaso Aquia Suesi, Cinco, the pattern was your pay at Yafasu, now so there be Jonathan Bamba, you're trying to represent also Ivory Coast Neba, Seko for Fana Manaquina, Yamanaquine, Ola Aina, and no Diagro, Ola Aina, what Diagro, Ademola, Watana Fefe. Wapiada Kobenkwa Femyama Mosi Simon for Nigeria Zaidu Bekwana Zaidu Adawo Bonu Wada Ivory Coast Neba Ivory Coast Wine Neba Ivory Coast Abranti anything Ade cross out Chuche Nicholas Pepe now on fire Claire Linson Victor Osman or Wapapa Victor Ademola Yamama Kwana Yerenatwo and see referee Mohamed Gabal from Algeria or CFR Etia Ivory Coast. Ibrahim Sangari Oko Ekocha Ademola Lukman. Hey Didier Drogba. Why did not stand in him? Didier Drogba, why didn't stand so as I'm calling for my mind? Boy, Drogba boy in half one Jibida. Oh, hey, Atiafaso now so referee say foul Etia Nigeria. And foul Etia Nigeria, Zaidu. Kucha Brantia, Cinco, I don't know. The referee say foul. Ivory goes on in China homes hours, but I'm on careful. The last match in Equatorial Guinea. About you, I bought some of Swashi, and now I bought for two. Bonicra, Ivory Coast, Abeda Brantia corner, left hand side where Germany Jonathan Bamba, Obetuachana 1 against 2, Obeko, Dabi, William Yamanakwai, Ola Aina, Pop now so there be Jonathan, or Yadian. Bonanko. Ya yede flow Ademola Lukman wa punuto Yamana Kwana Yamana Kwai Ababedi Ivory Coast ne ura box no hwe wa yefrim ya de ko box no mu no onu so yefrim wa no Ivory Coast nchara muso enchara mfa na nwumere mfa ma de Ivorians Abrante Kraso ono na wakwa kocha Nigeria ayen sacha baby adu ni de defense on mbebo Kenneth Omeru film abem ababeyi Ademola Lukman hey sikado Omeru pa na I fine Samsona Zaidu wa film Omeru adaini tisa ya dia na shisha na ji yi chain bobo chain na go dia kite so abem for Ivory Coast obem abeyi corner no bonjo so sa na bonjo so ovi corner no bonjo so sa.
Yes, I believe Conan I very key our game win because I mean so ocean interceptions and how to me initiate attack at my Ivorians now. I believe the performance not any all that bad there. But it seems coach in Ankasa name the tactics now or the room. This time around who here players or more fresh energy or make me I put too much more pressure on the opponent. Anything I'm before say why they where you know at the FM because I wish your ball from 65th minute known to me no overlapping game. So of course and no be nananka Ghana yeah sure him say Gideon Mensamo you bet me you ma yen you ma susuru de ma yen. So I think it's a very tactical change for the Ivorian coach and yen sure how one bet me approach it within the 90 minutes and if everything goes well I see them equalizing in this game.
Offside it's the Ivorians. Nicholas Pepe and Kacharian and Dessing go no version. Onyam tipo Grobin Gajanza. Ivory Coast fans 19. I'm what trainer that Nankano, which is just on Messana Comako. But I'm when it does war. What the Mocapa Bay? See Nigeria for Banum Crom Trophy Dada. Tanya and Yaso Medjui. The ball area sim, Ryan and it is so Victor Osman. Pimbono, Bonabedi Diamante, or body a few. Ivory Coast number Diakate. Ada coach here Frank Cassie back to the Akati or Germany Ibrahim Sangari Pepe the Ankachana Seko Fofana Ejidia Free Nayano Osimen Yasobe Yuzu Cassie and Answanfa Bona Babidi Jonathan Bamba to Indika Chuchubi Diamano or the Aquacoma Abrantia Diamante to Frank Cassie Ejamu Ariama 5 to Diakati Unimonobo Unimoba Mrehosi Atia Fasu Nigerian Sodia Coche Bonukra Ibrahim Sangari Chuche Nicholas Pepe were beauty offside trap on Pepe Nkachana corner Kenneth Anasa Brante Trottingong captain of Nigeria or Shouty the players no Ivory Coast fans on us go 82 minutes. Ivory Coast 0, Nigeria 1. Ivory Coast 0, Nigeria 1. Hey, Fofana. Ani atia fasu Nigeria. America ba Botue Nigeria. Akwe oye nam angaza Osai Ojibo in the box match be PM Ivory Coast box aka only defender ba ku pia pass keke oh Dibini Bonuka Seko Fofana center Seko for Ivory Coast Ojabo Yama 5 to Diakate back to 5 on the ball no up on him 5 to Nicola Abrante Diakate Bedding Diakate Amfa Abedu Calvin Baswa Bonu Bim by the free walk clearing lines to cry and pen wansem on passing ya Unya unje bon unje bu ba da ho Senior 84 minutes still Ivory Coast 0 Nigeria 1
Nigeria watimi hold na Ivory Coast for ni more until we share now second half no Ivory Coast no find very difficult say we penetrate to Nigeria for 18 na ocean Nigeria for so we say one goal ni betimi aboya won so we dey no defend one goal no ni yem fampon so we share 1000 win na aboya won ma wetimi dey hold ball just by say one will be mu second half no so e be yourself say anga bia Nigeria LED be 2 no and I say but ocean Ivory Coast na we yes look kakra we say no we say as a home support I then e be win but when ba won say America kweti on to be share ball no but I say won pro o gidigidi ba first half no ball no ball calm but we second half na I say won pro that's the reason I say Nigeria and sabeto won so ya wo ball we say you can second half no say coach no eje den etimi map good strategy betimi aboya ma wetimi hodu and that's the reason I coach to call half no akoya etimi aboya Nigeria for na wontimi then hold the Ivory Coast final goal 20 minutes 20 kudos to Nigeria for say we make sure say what be pon now wetimi nya 1 3 points na aboya
no senior on duty 85 minutes Ivory Coast 0 Nigeria 1 goal Kanketi thrusting gong na penalty Bona Babedi Frank Cassie wapia pass na chuche Jonathan Bamba ajipono Germany ama Seko Fofana betuma chiana Seko and then the Mfama Seko Fofana and then the Emma Seko Fofana Emma Seko Fofana Can say 8 p.m. and you may know what the Black Stars of Ghana and our Finsuno, the Pharaohs of Egypt. The Black Stars of Ghana and the Pharaohs of Egypt, 8 p.m. and Enumerate. Calvin Bassi went to control Bona Trash. The icon himself, Akon was stadium. Finn and if you're born, I'm saying again, Ivory goes to our supporting. Akon, Fissinegaba, and again, Ivory goes to our supporting. Hey, and my baby, I'm never go. Bona Babedi, Ivory Coast, Bet Matthew Mokana, Ibrahim Sangari, or Jamodiama, Abrantianidi, Ade, Diamande surgeon forward Kaka Chuchu Yamano, but Pia Passi Seko for Fana Yamano Kain. Monsieur Ola Aina, where Diagro, the man of the match, Ola Aina, what Diagro, Papa, the Chelsea number we are Chelsea. Ola Aina, Unibone ball, Papa, Bon Club football, England and Nottingham Forest. Ola Aina, Eno Diagro, Mobia Quine. And such a also the big man himself, Victor Osimhen, who free Mama Paul Onwachu El Swabem. Victor Osimhen, free Mama Paul Onwachu El Swabem. What's your height now? The poor Onwachu Gra was in Victor Osimhen. Hey! Victor Osimhen. And now, why am I with the free Mama Paul Onwachu? Onwachu man and Crystal Palace. Obey your bicha. Grumanzem. Nigeria never Ivory Coast Jonathan Bamba. Now so once again Ola Aina. Defending the lines 88 minutes and the airport. Still, the host Ivory Coast 0, the Super Eagles of Nigeria 1. Frank Kassi, Wajemodiama Ibrahim Sangari, Shushobidiamano, Machufefe Sangari, Pomuetu. Hey, now Ivory Coast for no, I didn't know. Ibrahim Sangari, or Bobo to every cry. Nana, 88 minutes. Still 0. Ivory Coast 0, Nigeria 1.
Well, Nigerians, really, almost to me, I'm a temple of the game. After Ivorians in the papa. For now, you can see, Ivorians they are in a haste to equalize. But if they can calm down, for now, there's no time on their side because it's 2 minutes. And a referee at the count. You say Niaya and I. From the starts, chances of Munyaye and won't make it good use. And in the second half, Nigerians in Amo home so and I know Abwa yielding them that very penalty. A board that powerful shot to Edison, So at the end of 90 minutes, if say Nigeria coming out as victors and Yemunga.
A free kick here, the Ivorians. Nigeria rather Paul Nuchuno Kochai, Paul Noka Ivory Coast. Abedia Branton Ade Indica with Jonathan Bamba Jonathan, who take you on Ola na Jonathan. Then at your bonus to Jonathan Bamba, the question Dama Abranti Indica to Ibrahim Sangari, Jamu Adama Frank Kassi, beautiful from Kassi. Also there come Abranti Diakate now so Calvin Bassi. Calvin Bassi. And then one thing, Papa, Calvin Bassi. Unibone Papa. A corner for Ivory Coast. A corner for Ivory Coast. Now so corner Namfa. Referee in 9 minutes and they are so. Referee in 9 minutes and they are so. Referee Mohamed Gapal or the 9 minutes in the day to so. Atu thrown in Tambon Abedi, Ivory Coast. Now so they be amfa Paul Nuachu. Onu so ball better than one thing. Referee for Algeria Mohamed Gapal say foul it's here. Ivory Coast. Command 97.1. Live commentary Total African Cup of Nations Cote d'Ivoire 2023. Betway. As it gets way more. Victor Osimhen no is so passionate about the national team. And say, hey, yeah, the idea. I don't know African Player of the Year, best player in Africa, Kwano Ba. Send no kun humbo na yenum. Bono, Mutin one and it so. Paul Nuachu, Abby, Nuachu by a fast on Kwano committee. Paul Onuachu. The 19 gramo. Our video. Paul Onuachu. Bon Club Football. Our Tech Yerma Transport. This season, 15 matches, 9 goals. Yeah, Nessa. Paul Nuachu, Bona Babedi, Ivory Coast, left hand side, Jonathan Bamba, Bitmachiana, Ivory Coast, Ola Aina, Mamma Mia, anywhere the agro. Or Makwai, Ola Aina. Uso, or Makwai. Yeah. Paul Nuachu, a peer person that come Alex Uwobi to Moses Simon on the left hand side for Nigeria. Moses Simon, Obetmachiana, Moses. I don't know if fair to be the still Nipa Mienu Yamaukai Moses Simon Ivory Coast players and I went in Bosabosa and Obetri Moses Simon Yamanokai until throw Calvin Bassi Akuffo 9 minutes Yabomo 3 Aka 6. Yeah, Nigeria I won't say what a cross of the mount. Joshua Janso on Facebook. I say good job, Super Eagles. You have lifted the spirit of Black Stars. Yeah. Feel love. I say Urade Jeng. Krobia Santi. I say Ojana. Hit. Isaac Ofeanta. I say Kumo. Ojana so. Seko Fofana for Ivory Coast. Seko across the ball. Oh, daddy. Ola Aina once again. Ola Aina. Anywhere the agro. Now so Ivory Coast next time by Jonathan Bamba. And then the pass and alcohol. Kenneth Omeru. Abobi Achentu. Abobi boom. A try to edit here. The Ivorians. A defensive throw for the Ivorians. Ajua Eddie Abossi, 9 minutes how? I just say referee 9 minutes out also. 9 minutes are referee to Abomo 5 Akuffo. Victor Osimhen, Neni Abiro bench. Yina Frumbat, Neni Abiro bench. So committed to the national team, Victor Osimhen. Max Alan Gradel. At the bench is our it's a coach John Vaminko. Nigeria Brantia Akuffo. Nigeria Brantia Akuffo. Paul Onuachu. Abrantia Inika. The Kanechi Kitwabi. Abrantia Noda from Paul Onuachu. Other form. 8 p.m. Ghana time. 8 p.m. Ghana time. Not a big game. The Black Stars of Ghana. And our friends, the Pharaohs of Egypt. Eddie Aboyni. Bonica, Ola Aina, beautiful. Ola Aina in Odiagro. So Bona Trashe through for the Ivorians. I'm not turning 10 pass. Ivory Coast Neba. Bona Babidi. Frank Kessie, well, lay pass in Edema. Brantiani di Eddie Diakate. Well, Germany are come 5 cross and Amfa. A bone boom, Maria Fletcher. Now, Nicholas Pippin on a so bony. As a move. Line up never. Nana. That's his Hey. As a move. And see, I don't know. Oh, that be Ghana Besse. Another day, Ghana Besse. Go Ghana Besse. See, I don't know. Referee 9 minutes and I boom 7. I got 9 minutes. I referee the 2 so no boom 7. I got 2. Ivory Coast I share him so much yomka. Nigerian so share him somebody couldn't be able to coffee. A bob in some way. Then to a game so. Born up already. Ivory Coast. A brand in the Diamante, where Germany and Ibrahim Sangari was center circle. The Pia Personal. Ivory Coast never. A brand here 5. About Crossiana. Nicholas Pepe. Adiano actually. Hey! Oh, international for Tom. Nigeria, my bonnet boom, ready through a samba with you. Ivory Coast for them. Ivory Coast never. Seko Fofana. Seko. Where Germany, Jonathan Bamba against Ola Aina. Ola Bamano Kwaina. Aina also Boa Opa Kwakunya. Ababedi Ibrahim Sangari for Ivory Coast. Sangari with Pia Parts and Edakoma. Abrantani Daddy Cinco. Single to Diakate against Bassi Amanokai. Calvin Bassi, Benkuma from Maukai, Ola Aina Zifa from Maukai, Bassi, once again was side defending. Calvin Bassi, the word in such a trouble. And then from Ivory Coast, 9 minutes and on Yabom 8. Time now to answer. A attacking throw in for the Ivorians. Ivory Coast 0, Nigeria 1. I got 30 seconds near upon. Nigeria, you there through. Now, so that be Ivory Coast, boom, you there through. About the center circle will be anyone for Nigeria. Jonathan Bamba, the Pia Pass and there come Sangari Ibrahim. Abodi Asimo, Ivory Coast, Beam Nation. Beam Nation, referee say, Akobo Frank Yasensa. The foul, it's here, Ivory Coast. And one on Zenia EDSC. Nigeria out. Nigeria for on the referee time also. Nigeria for the referee time also. Kenneth Abrantia thrust in gong on a ball penalty no. Adama Nigeria only 1-0. Referee Bebona Bayana. Referee Mohamed Gabal from Algeria. Bonabang at the giving Nigeria 1. The host nation Ivory Coast 0. Go Kankati. Thrust in gong. The captain penalty. And a brand and a ball at the 20. Now give up on Nigeria Ashe Ivory Coast 1-0.
Well, a deserving victory among Nigerians, and looking at how they came in strongly for the second half, it has really paid off. First half, individual errors was too much, and that caused them. You could see, say, OCM able to take it on, but too crazy. And it will be the bay, no be nothing avoidance, and I think no one watching one everyone. But second half, we realize, say, OCM all the time, no, I set it back. No minimum a control bono to lead the passes to the wingers rather. And here lies the case that one cross coming in. He was trying to control it. And onya penalty edema the Nigerians, and here lies the case that Nigeria enya one first win this year's AFCON. They have 4 points now, and automatically they can qualify for the next round of the competition. That's why they are happy like this. Everyone should go home and do their homework and get prepared for their next game against Equatorial Guinea.
I know, and Akuffo free Mama Mia, Bruni the Anka support Ivory Coast. Senior 1-0 for Nigeria.
AK na here na Nigeria for ayeno. We share 1-2 teams na. We share see and we see Nigeria na take lead pa ewomu. Enti na enyam wa say still one-san eden ewini eden ewo one-san ewini because we share one ball na oboni na bia obo bia no one eden lead one na edi kan ewo one so enti no enyam wa say one-san take leader one-san share one. But make say Nigeria for no we say we win but we adwuma ye bebre saa so na Ivory Coast for we adwuma ye because in Ivory Coast your next one on Equatorial Guinea and na we win match ohia bia when you have 4 points we betimi qualify into no on a very tough match amano but home support to me say at least draw ka we man qualify but Nigeria is here win in the next match it just say two teams in no we changes our year no and na aboya Nigeria ama Nigeria team then qualify and we team win na ohia and then no it makes a kudos to the coach and say what team changes sana me expect the next game I want say changes are ebemo no e was say anyama so esesa ewumu.
I know, senior on duty, Henry Kofi Asare Junior. Govi, wrap up and go.
Well, kudos to the Nigerians. I think this is the scoreline now. Omo here, senior bear a be more another superior advantage to qualify for the next stage of the competition. And then I think say football no sometimes it do be na oshe performance Ivory Coast for no put a ball possession omo winning na even so oshe all the start I call in favor of the Ivorians. But you see African Cup of Nations, you know, it do certain stage say na approach should be different because so opponent number match now 3 points and no more important. Tournament say no enye beautiful football and Amanfo although a bema but I think say strategically how me a compose with team no na omo results and no much more important and no and Nigerians for no omo aye obekaya mekanye in the first half say go Nigeria for ebenya ewo game nim no so mutumi manage ni ya ebetumi aboa amamaje omo 3 points no and after say omo take lead no omo tumi manage game ni ye and and I to me the results are one more epe ewo match we mu enti ye mo ma so on next game against Guinea Bissau there I think say and what's some underrated omo call out send omo call game we mu no and I think some yen say e be to me aboama bibia etumi akoye although ye a very nice game omo chess sampa omo the powerhouse in African football enti yen hwe say omo last group games no make me better results. Send you make me progress because Ivory Coast, Nigeria, the run of 16 in the Africa Cup of Nations now. Sometimes a boy peja the pedigree of the tournament. It's kudos to them. They've done well. Almost selling good football at the Amaye.
I know Henry Kofi Asare Junior. And you know, the best now about Zali 7:45. That's a pre-match discussion about the match between the Black Stars of Ghana and our friends the Pharaohs of Egypt. I must win at Ghana. The John Waba, now fins no and come back here by now. Second, see and confirm a Betway or see get way more Sansona Bell Ice Drinks or see Philippa If Seals Hotel, Sansona and you know B&G Blasting and Greatness Ventures or Sadens, you know, Brana Beton Yama F3 now yes Sansona a Japaye on so say bra now blocks out on so bra na beto FF no Eric Ewua soccer agency say bra na Saturday afin so no justify no bebo man park na ni bo no ba ono so de etimi asi baby na ne ama konkan ade ama Loma Vista IPS asisuku papa aba obia ede ne ba enso no call ote Henry Kofi Asare Junior Kim Vibro enka Sansona ene senior on duty afei Nana Kofi Free ote nka one more time echi eboame enso no Nana Kofi Okoye Ajiman Gideon into the boy Nana Kwame Perry Tibere Kesanankasa Ira Kweku Boateng omunyina boy ama ye de Nigeria commentary no eba men ko ba bia men ye fidie nim famfia unya mbedu nso ya yana bra isan say obepiem o command radio ye forecast a the giant screen pa anesia ye enjoy aye afcon no enti bra ananso no bela is nbesu that ya say na wa relax afin so no what me enjoy Ghana game no o command 97.1 men go bia ye twa ho aba
Bet Jessica Coco, ewo betway so. Hitwa wo beta or how bien abraye ko season fufu. Eno ane say, wo be ko betway side no so. Na when your golden booking code, na fetwa wo bet ewo matches a wa hyehyɛ no. Afei se wo bet bi ase ya. Yesanso ma 100% ewo free bet mu. Wo mpe we na wo peden. Bet no nyansem. Wo ni fie no wotwe a enko. Gaming Commission of Ghana Sasha se. Nhyehyɛ kakra wo. Betway. Get way more.
Offla Construction Limited Company for sure. Kaiser Offla Construction Limited Company in penny for say. And yes, cement in the blossom kun waton. Ubomadia do any trauma share. Gubenya a building equipment. Some person to call site a woodwork. Concrete product. Amanfo almost supply a war. Anya Amanfo bibi biara wo pebia wo building site wo. Kaiser almost so dia into real estate development and so. It would no person pejan in tempa. Wo fra Offla Construction Limited Company. Wo bejo so. For any job busumasi ekwapem. Amonochrome ekwapem. Kofoidia Asunjay Junction. Wo Sabeka Offla Construction Limited Company wo ho. From I was 055-295-7198 0594-635656 050-280-8992 and 027-90-12954. Woko social media handles in nyina eye Offla Construction Limited Company. Wonsa erekomo Kaiser omo ye free delivery. Baby awo bi emfa ho ye de bekwa akogya won tempara. Se enye Offla dia and there you are not building. Kayo se Offla Construction Limited Company. Your property our priority.
You know, one bucket of Flamingo paint is equal to several other paint brands on the market. Flamingo paint, a Papa Chain paint, bia. Flamingo paint, superior hiding. Flamingo paint, superior coverage. Flamingo paint, superior durability. Flamingo paint, simply superior.
Akuman Radio 97.1 FM. Ye doye for ye panesanti and a ye be and tabemedia mo be biara and numekwa ro say. So pese ye born ye mo dero edemawa ye crado bra. Na ye no any dra anasa wo yourself for now pese wo preachi ana safona mo pese mo preachi a akwanya eda obi bi na ato and pese ye born dero edemawa akwanya eda ho bra anasa jingle hu sense productions na pese ye edemawa akwanya ewo ho ana wo ye show bi na pese ye be fa live ewo Akuman Radio so a akwanya da ho se ye edema o ne hia ne se obefreyen ewo 0202993475 ana 0594630059 ana 0246246875 Akuman Radio ana okriape mayano.
Yes, so cool. Betway, early cash out. You wouldn't know, baby. Say, dear. Betway to me more early cash out. So, bet na kosuno. What me you see canon 10. Yes, some partial cash out. Just what me you see can be a brow bet na guswan. And automatic cash out. Wait, dear. One casa na bet a brow. Pese you see can. When I acquire Betway and more to me, I will bet no so. Bet can you who say, I will betway.com.gh. Only if you know what here and come. Gaming Commission of Ghana Sasha see. And she shall kakra Betway. Gets way more.
Usika seme nkoyiana quick credit siasia say sika pe ennafom intina yabasa ye becheche wo yam bosia bonhye ye ho wotumi bobosia wo yasua ye if you 1000 Ghana cedis edenko na ne wo hia ne wo national ID card wo hia sa wo betu susu wo hia awowa ye ngiseke bia nto ho wo nsanso hia say wo ne yem bebue futuo bia quick credit wo ho ma o say ye dwana wo pese wudi ana wo pese wo hye ejuma foforo ase ana say ye school fees ana bo ye bosumi ejuma ye phone so ye wo bi mamo na mom kai say ye mobosua e wo internet so afen so on manti kakrobia batan Bank of Ghana and sa wo jumedie yimu enti tutumri kana freying was 0302200390 ana 0596920833 quick credit lending made simple kai say jumedie yin hyehyɛ kakra wo
On my radio, 97.1.
Yeah.
Come on.